Are you feeling overwhelmed by things you just can't control? If so, we have something that might help you. In our journey today, we will uncover the essence of Stoic philosophy. An age-old school of thought, Stoicism educates us to devote our energy on aspects our control and release the rest. The wisdom of Stoic philosophy was best embodied by a notable figure from ancient times, Marcus Aurelius. A Roman emperor renowned for his profound wisdom, he penned a timeless piece of literature, Meditations. This literary gem offers us a chance to peek into the depths of human existence and guides countless towards a serene life. Imagine having a guide that untangles the complexities of life, steering us towards a peaceful coexistence with nature and ourselves. As we visually navigate through the life of Marcus Aurelius, are you ready to delve into this ancient wisdom and unearth the secrets to a tranquil life? Join us as we embark on this journey through the teachings of Marcus Aurelius, discovering the true essence of living in the present. What if I told you that the secret to happiness is in the present moment? Let's delve into the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest Stoic philosophers. He believed that the power of now, the present moment, holds the key to contentment. His teachings emphasize the importance of focusing entirely on the task at hand, not letting our minds wander into the past or the future. Think about it. How often do we get swayed by distractions, lose ourselves in daydreams, or get caught up in worries about what's next? Now, imagine the tranquility we could achieve by simply concentrating every minute on doing what's in front of us. This isn't about ignoring the past or the future. It's about not letting them upset or dictate the present. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You don't have to turn this into something. It doesn't have to upset you." Remember, the present is all we have to live in or to lose. Did you know that the things you think about determine the quality of your mind? This isn't just a notion. It's a philosophy deeply rooted in the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic philosopher. Our thoughts, whether we realize it or not, shape our perception of reality. It's like we're painting a picture of the world inside our minds. What's remarkable is that we are the artists of that panorama. Each thought, each idea, is a stroke of our brush. The colors we choose, the shapes we form, they all come together to create the image that we perceive. Now, imagine if our thoughts were always negative, filled with self-doubt, fear, or despair. The picture we paint would be a dark, gloomy one. But what if we fill our minds with positive, empowering thoughts? The image then transforms into a vibrant, joyful scene. Your soul takes on the color of your thoughts, so paint it with the brightest colors. Can you endure without complaining? Marcus Aurelius thought so. This Roman emperor, a Stoic philosopher, believed that the art of endurance is a skill to be cultivated and mastered. In every challenge, in every hardship, lies an opportunity to exercise this art, the art of bearing the unbearable without complaint. Endurance in Stoicism is not about gritting your teeth and pushing through the pain. It's about accepting the discomfort, understanding it, and letting it guide you to inner peace. It's about acknowledging the storm, but not letting it capsize your boat. It's about recognizing the fire, but not letting it consume you. It's about standing firm in the face of adversity, not with resentment or bitterness, but with an acceptance that this, too, is part of the journey. So the next time you find yourself in the throes of hardship, remember the Stoic art of endurance. If it's endurable, then endure it. Stop complaining. What stands in the way becomes the way. Intriguing, isn't it? Marcus Aurelius, the great Stoic philosopher, saw obstacles not as roadblocks, but as stepping stones. He believed that challenges are not meant to deter us, but to make us stronger, wiser. They are opportunities disguised as problems, waiting for us to unwrap them with our actions. The power of choice, the ability to decide how we respond to a situation, is in our hands. Do we see an obstacle as a dead end, or do we perceive it as a detour, a new path to explore? It's all about perspective. Every challenge you face is a question posed by life itself, and your reactions are the answers. So what will your answer be? Will you shy away, or will you rise to the occasion? Remember, the impediment to action advances action. Do you believe you have power over your mind? This question may seem simple, but its answer holds the key to tranquility and strength. Marcus Aurelius, a Stoic philosopher, believed in the immense power of the mind over all external events. He understood that our reactions, our emotions, our very perception of the world around us all originate from the mind. It's our mind that paints our experiences with color, our mind that sculpts our reality. It's in our mind where fear and anxiety are born, but also where they can be discarded. Marcus Aurelius taught us that we can't control the waves of the sea, but we can learn to surf. We can't stop the wind from blowing, but we can adjust our sails. The mind is a powerful tool, a compass in a vast sea of uncertainty. Harness this power, and you will find resilience, strength, and tranquility. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength.
What's your next step towards greatness? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to reach new heights. Until next time, keep striving, keep growing, and keep believing in the power of your dreams.